Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Minooka, local and long distance movers near me. By using our long distance movers, you get the services you need for a much simpler move. Whether you're moving just one state over or all the way across the nation, we're here to assist you. Our moving services give you all the right choices to customize your move for your particular needs. Working with us gives you easy access to each of the necessary following services, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to hire a local Illinois moving company might not seem like it's worth the expense. When you examine the benefits you gain, the price is a lot easier to deal with. The benefits you get can make hiring a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. You also get to eliminate the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our team of skilled movers are there to make sure your move is very efficient. With a local moving company such as 3 Movers, you get a more efficient move. Moving locally can be very quick, and our team can deal with even the big move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Minooka moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.